thing you have that Kareena doesn't have?
I can answer that.
Yeah.
Yash Chopra.
One thing Kareena has that you don't have.
Shayad.
You realized you were Sanjay Leela Bhansali, what would you do?
What if I work out with Sanjay Leela Bhansali? I would wonder where Karan Johar is. Or where Karan Johar has been last night. Aage bolo, chalo.
I want to say the final score is you're at 24, she's at 30, she wins the game round.
How did this happen?
Because in the...
I felt like I did better throughout.
No, but she had that bout where she was really going one after the other.
It's cool though. I know this is Coffee with Karan. There's a nepo bias. It's fine. I was expecting.
You're such a sore loser.
Oh, look at this. Hum saath saath hai.
हाँ तो है क्या कर
It's so
लोगे?
sad. Like I
क्या कर सकते
expected so
हैं
much more
क्या
from
कर
you.
लोगे?
क्या ही कर सकते हैं? थोड़ा और struggle करना पड़ता है.
As per your experience, who has given you more unnecessary attitude in the industry? Female co-stars or male ones?
I think you, Karan. My biopic, if ever it's made, you'll play that stereotypical Bollywood biggie who is like, very snooty and completely intolerant to outsiders and,
Intolerant is the word.
flag bearer of nepotism, the movie mafia.
What are the three things you'd like to change about the Indian television industry?
Firstly, the working hours for sure.
Okay.
Secondly, the content. We are getting better, but I think we can still get better. And third, a little more natural acting and less of melodrama.
Fantastic. If you woke up one day as Ekta Kapoor, what would you do?
I would transfer all her shares, her bank balance, her properties in my name, go to sleep and wake up as Rashti Raman.
People on your speed dial list.
Papa, Khushu, and Shiku.
What is the one thing about me that annoys you the most?
She has this wonderful habit of, I'm sorry, but I'm just going to say it as it is, where she'll be speaking to you and she genuinely listens, right, when you speak, which is lovely when you're having a conversation.
Yeah, looking into your
except
eyes.
when she stops listening. And it can happen at any given point, right? So you're speaking to Katrina Kaif and suddenly you're speaking to a wall. Like, there's no one there. There's no person. Like, she is looking at you, but she's looking through you.
What do actresses mean when they say the following? I don't have time for love. I'm too busy with my career.
They're doing everybody.
I have no problems with my co-star. We're very cordial on the sets.
I hate his guts. Can't stand the sight of him. And if he was standing there on the road, I wouldn't give him 1 rupee as a beggar.
If you found the following people's phones, who would be the last dial number on Deepika Padukone?
I don't know. Hopefully Ranveer Singh.
Ranbir Kapoor?
I don't know. Actually, one doesn't know. I don't know. One never knows.
Did you and Shahid ever have a weird moment, considering you have Kareena in common in history, in life?
Well, I do love history, but this is even older than medieval now. I think.
You, Sonam and Alia took an IQ test. Who would win?
I think I would win.
Most leading men in the industry have?
Most leading men in the industry have a lot of money, not sure about a lot of brains.
Name 3 recent Bollywood breakups.
Okay, Sushant and Ankita, Ranbir, Katrina, and give one. We never know in the next hour somebody must be breaking up, so let's wait.
Okay. I like the way you didn't include any of yours.
But I'm...
Been heartbroken.
Every morning.
Oh, no.
Only for the movies.
Okay.
Are you the heartbreaker?
Skinny dipped. How do you react if someone you know unfollows you on the gram? Accidentally twin with a contemporary on the red carpet.
Look the other way.
Name a Bollywood actress whose career graph you would like to replicate.
Alia. I'm a big Alia.
What do you think you have that your senior students, Sid, Varun and Alia, don't?
Know the name of the president of India.
Okay.
Hopefully.
There might be a certain section that might believe that why is Ananya Pandey on Coffee with Karan?
I agree with this section of people because I've not done anything. Sometimes I feel like I don't deserve to be and I really want people to like me. So many people out there more talented than I am. I'm just lucky that my dad was an actor and this is what I want to do, being able to do what I want to do.
John Abraham.
Expressionless.
Kareena Kapoor.
Too many expressions.
Ranbir Kapoor.
Endorse a condom brand.
Plastic.
Aishwarya.
Salman Khan.
Next.
Wedding was a really fun wedding because it was just family and between my family and his immense family.
Yeah, you called none of us.
I wasn't invited to a lot of your do's either.
Asked to interview Priyanka Chopra, what would you ask her?
Why does she have that accent?
There's a leading actress by the name of Kareena Kapoor who had this question she wanted you to answer. Where you get your accent from?
I think it was the same place that her boyfriend gets it from.
Same newcomer. Vivek, Shahid, Zahid, John.
Vivek is brilliant at his work, so.
Alright, okay, cinematic genius. Karan, Sanjay.
I'm sitting in the presence of two.
What comes to your mind when I say the following names? Shah Rukh Khan,
Sharp, brilliant.
Sushmita Sen.
Media has had a lot of fun with this,
Fun with what?
with this name in my life.
Salman Khan.
Next question.
Vivek Oberoi.
Wonderful, wonderful friend and truly brilliant.
Would you rather have as your enemy me, SRK or the entire Chopra family?
सारा दिन बैठ के लिखा है मैंने.
बहुत आसानी से तो बोला, अरे क्या मैं तो जवाब दे देगा. देना.
Who would I have?
देना बेटा, सोचते रहे.
अच्छा मैं
लाइट बंद करो, जनरेटर ऑफ करो, आज ये सोचेगा.